Oh, we're looking for the lightning. Oh, there it was.
Remember you two, whenever the lightning and you were here when you were little, Andy plastered himself right around his mother and you were far behind him.
Me and Andy were afraid of lightning, I believe it.
That chair right there, perhaps, and watch the show.
Why don't you let him sit in your chair?
Oh
This
man.
chair's warm and I'm cold.
You look like you're cold.
I try to get these. It like lights up the whole freaking sky, but my camera doesn't get it. Frustrating. Oh, it's over there.
Ain't you ever seen lightning before?
No.
Not like this.
Oh my
Oh.
gosh.
Not constant like this, I mean every once in a while, but not like
Let's go right in.
Yeah, no, this lightning. Ooh, thunder.
The other side door.
Thunder.
They said it was over by your lake, didn't they?
Yep.
Yeah.
Trumansburg.
Quite a ways away.
Yeah.
Am I not
There,
good to
just
us?
lights up the sky. It's like dark.
Look at the wind.
It'll work its way across. It's working its way this way.
It is? Okay, I thought it was going nowhere.
Wait, so we're gonna start getting some rain?
Yeah, in about
Eventually.
an hour.
Says
Middle of the
storm,
night.
Thunderstorm.
No, it's thunder or lightning way over there.
Oh, snap.
Yeah,
I thought it was raining. No?
sounds like it when you first
It was
walk out.
rain. It was rain from the other storm because I see the railings all wet.
This
Ooh.
chair is wet on the.
Oh my gosh, that was real bright.
Then.
Yeah, no, I got that one.
See where Ooh, the lights are like, I can't even see where anybody
We
is.
got a giant thing of fireworks when we had the barbecue.
Mm-hmm.
You missed it. You know that giant box that they had?
Mm-hmm.